Right, gonna go down and collect some eggs. We got 25 hens. One's a little over 3 years old. It's still laying, but not very often. But when she does lay, it's a big egg. And then we've got 24 young ones that just started laying at the beginning of this month. So today's the 31st of October. They started laying first week in October. Usually getting 20 eggs or so, which is pretty good. So I got 2 cartons, egg cartons, and I'm unlocking the latches here. Do the upper shelf first. What do we got here? A couple eggs in here. So we got here. Eggs, 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 eggs. There we go. So that's the eggs. We've got 15 eggs from the upper level. You can see this one egg is a bit larger than the rest. That's probably from the old girl. Yeah, the other ones are just laying probably medium-sized eggs. Right now we'll open up the second floor here. Let's see what we got in here. Here's a couple more eggs. Look at that. Today's collection of eggs. 24 eggs, and we got 25 chicks or hens that are laying. That's pretty good. One day this week, in the last 7 days, we had 25. We collected 25 eggs. But 24, we've had this maybe 3 or 4 times now. Amazing. So I'm going to raise garden boxes right here under the straw as I planted my garlic. But in here we also plant veggies for the chickens. And so I've just cleaned out the garden boxes. And here's some of the goodies I'm going to give the chickens. Some Swiss chard. I think there might even be some kale. So the chickens do like their Swiss chard. Their leafy greens. There they come. And a little the salad bar. Feast at the salad bar. It doesn't take them long to polish this off, I tell you.